Hi, I'm Peggy Laborde with another Carnival Close-Up, as I share some history and memorabilia from my own Mardi Gras collection. Some New Orleans Carnival crews follow the tradition of bestowing a gift or favor to female ball guests. The custom is known of as a call-out for a dance. This tradition began in the early 1880s, and that present can be a pin. Pins can be theme-related, such as this one from the Elves of Oberon, from the early 1900s, or from the Mystic Crew of Comus, from 2008. Many are emblazoned with the organization's initials, such as this one from the Crew of Dorians. In the case of Le Crew d'Etat, we have a recent homage to the Mardi Gras ladders that often line the parade routes. Rex, also known as the School of Design, stages a reception instead of a ball. Since 1967, crew members have given female family members and friends a ducal badge, a smaller version of one that the crew member himself receives from the organization. Imported from Germany originally, they are now produced locally by Adler's Jewelry. In the more recent past, whoever is bestowed the honor of being named Rex sometimes has a limited edition signature pin made for his family and friends. This Rex Butterfly Kingpin was inspired by a Rex invitation from 1882. The Crew of Mystery is known for its ball backdrop of live roses, as this 2015 favor shows. The Knights of Chaos chose a shield design as one of its annual favors. The Crew of Athenians has staged a ball presentation for over 100 years. For its 100th anniversary in 1972, the Knights of Momus focused on the crew's tradition of honoring its roots in chivalry. These mementos represent a beloved Mardi Gras custom, and it is yet another aspect of the New Orleans Carnival, past and present. That's this week's Carnival Close-Up. More to come throughout the season on WYES's Facebook and YouTube pages. Thanks for watching.